Hello John, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you what are the case sensitivity of HTML. Well, when I say case sensitivity, I mean should we write in uppercase or should we write in lowercase while writing HTML elements. Let's get started. I will just quickly open a new folder here, and then inside this folder I'm going to name it case sensitive. Alright, I hit on enter, and then I open this up inside my code editor, which in my own scenario will be Visual Studio Code. I definitely want to close this up, and then I can just have my new folder that I just created, was here, case sensitive, and then I definitely want to open a index.html file, index.html file. That's dead. I can close this sidebar and then bring out my basic HTML document structure. And I can just quickly change this title up and change it to case sensitivity. Alright, so to be sincere, I won't lie to you. I'm going to be telling you all these facts that I've known and I've learned my whole years of experience in developing website, mobile application. Yes, while writing HTML code, tags can be written both in capital letter, let me say in caps, they can be written or in small letter. You can definitely open a P tag like this and then have it like this in very, very bold, in very, very bigger caps. Let me say, I am just kidding, not kissing, I'm just kidding. And then we can just open this up inside our code editor. It worked. Yes, I know it will do. But this is a norm earlier days on, let me say some years ago, writing HTML elements in capital letter. I think it automatically formats itself to small letter because I have prettier, which will automatically format my code for me as far as I save it. So this happens earlier time, let me say, sometimes maybe some of you are not born or you are still a small kid, where people write HTML tags in capital letter. Today's world, in small letter is the new norm. And believe you me, if I'm reviewing your code and I see you write tags in capital letter, I'm going to use like 30 minutes to laugh at you. What do I mean? I mean, you should always write in small letter. How do you do that? You just need to type in this in small letter and not just in capital letter. So from now on, any type of tags you are writing, or let me say any types of elements you are writing, you should always start with a small letter tags, not capital letter tags. Imagine writing your H1 like this. Imagine. And it doesn't look good to me, actually. But the truth is, it doesn't, let me say, prevent it from working inside your browser. It should actually do what you want it to do. But I would advise you to use this small letter. It looks more mature to me. Yes, because it is the new norm. Let me just write something inside here, and then let's quickly go and refresh our browser and see what we are having. Awesome. And I believe in this tutorial, you definitely know the differences between writing in capital letters, writing tags, your tags in capital letter. You can see you can write all this. You can write all this content here in capital letter. I don't care. What I care is the tags should be in small letter, not in capital letter. And notice again, I didn't say if you write it in capital letter, it won't work. No, it will work perfectly, but the norm now is you should write in small letter. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.